Good morning, friends. We are dealing with the chapter Learning the Game, and we stopped at the third paragraph last class. And now, coming to the next paragraph, where he is going to join the camp. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I had come back in afternoon and practice till late evening. So here is mentioning the time and the session of the camp where Sachin have joined. So the camp is at Shivaji Park and the morning time it is 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and later for the evening session he would come back in afternoon and just go back to practicing evening, and he would practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra and I had to catch an early bus to make it on time. So here he is saying that the practicing is and the schedule is very rigorous means hard. The schedule is very hard and he would be exhausted at the end of the day. Exhausted means tired. He would get tired by this hard schedule, and from his house in Bandra it take 40 minutes to reach Shivaji Park, and he used to travel in bus, and he would take the bus in early morning to make it on a time. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. So first few days Ajit came. Ajit means Sachin brother accompanied means he came with the Sachin to make use and used to routines means to make familiar the things and matters, to make familiar about the routines. During the bus journey, he would talk to me about the nonsense of batting, and I always enjoyed this conversation a lot. Nonsense means ideas, so he would share the ideas of batting, and Sachin always loved that Ajit talks about batting. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a personal coaching manual. So, the interesting fact is that throughout his career, he is using a note which is given by his brother, which contained some thoughts about batting, and it served means acted. It acted as a personal coaching manual to Sachin. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well apart from my pockets. So here he is saying that he had only one set of cricket clothes, so he used to wash when he came back after the morning session. He used to wash and dry out in the sun, and he would again wear it for the afternoon session. So this pattern is repeated up to evening, and in every days he is using the same set of clothes. But the system worked well apart from my pockets. There was never quite enough time to pockets to dry out completely, and for the entire duration of the camp I played with wet pockets. So rather than other parts of the clothes, the pocket would not dry out completely or would not dry out fastly. So he used to have coaching, and he used to with that, and he played with the wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of 2 months informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I have practiced all year around. So this summer camp is going on. So the middle of the summer camp, the Achrekar sir informed his brother that he has the potential, or he has a chance to become a good cricketer if he only practiced all year around. 1 year around he will practice, he will be a good cricketer. And this he said because this sir has watched Sachin's practicing and his active interest in batting. Okay. However, my school, the new English school in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities, and sir has keen for me to change school if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So the sir said that if he wanted to follow cricket very seriously, he would change his school in the Bandra, the new English school from Bandra, because there is no in the school there is not having any cricket facilities. So sir was very keen. Keen means he wanted to, or he is very eager to change the school of Sachin if he only follow cricket very seriously. One evening, sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at that time, and they both accepted that it was necessary if cricket was to be my priority. So this suggestion he called to Sachin's father. He means the sir called to Sachin's father and he forwarded this suggestion, and they were both ready if Sachin is ready to make to give priority or to give importance to cricket. If only Sachin give priority means importance to cricket, he would change the school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objection to my changing school, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. So he said that his father said that he have no problem for changing his school if only you have very serious about playing cricket. I have no problem in changing school. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Shardashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was cricket coach. So while asking his father if he is very serious about his playing cricket, you can change the school. So his father is asking to Sachin. So Sachin gave confirmation that he is very serious. So his father agreed to move to Shardashram Vidya Mandir, where in there the cricket coach is Achrekar sir. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. So his extra energies were going to the cricket. So he thought that it is a kind of safety, because he have reached the Achrekar sir school. So he thought that it is very safety that he has reached here, because his extra energies were going to playing the cricket. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the result. So his father said that to give the best effort or to give our maximum power to have a to have the good result. So if you wanted to be good result, we need to give a best effort. So you don't need to worry about the result will come if our effort is taking very strongly. Result will come. You don't need to worry about the results. So that's all about. Thank you.